Hello and welcome. So this week it's construction time at my house. I'm having sewer work done. I'm having some section replaced that has been getting tree roots in it and then having my sewer relined. So everything that home repair brings up, everywhere that houses always require work, do you choose to release, let go, and or allow all that to be removed from your reality now? And there's resistance there because the thing is we often would not like to have to do all this repair work. Same thing with cars. Woo, yikes. Okay, I guess this video is turning into about repairs that we need to do. And this is one of the things too, is being an energetically aware person, it can sometimes feel like things are breaking specifically to mess with you. Woo, yikes. Everything that is release, release, release. Yeah, and because there is an energetic component to everything, it can be influenced, repairs can be influenced, or things breaking can be influenced by things around you, but not 100%. So a lot of times things just will break because after a certain amount of time, years, mileage, use, those sorts of things will break and then will require repairs. Ooh, yeah, and everywhere it feels like if you did everything perfectly, you wouldn't have to repair anything, or would have to repair things a lot less than you normally do. Ooh, do you choose to release, let go, and or allow all that to be removed from your reality now? Ooh, there's a big still resistance on that. And one of the things I found is anytime that we feel resistance for something that we really would probably be a contribution to clear, what often happens is there's some beliefs behind it that we shouldn't have to do that. And so I guess like I've done home repair work for all my adult life. I've owned old homes and just kind of had to be doing the repair work. And I'm fortunate that I get to that I'm handy and can do all the repair works myself. But it's just one of those things is like when things break, it's often a big inconvenience. Ooh, there we go. So maybe it's more that. So anything that's preventing repairs from coming at inconvenient times or being inconvenient and messing with your life. Ooh, do you choose to release, let go, and or allow all that to be removed from your reality now? Yes, I choose that release, release, release. So maybe one of the challenges around this, which can be helpful, is if you were able to know when something was going to need repair or was going to break. And so what we can do is we can ask energetically for more awareness around that. So what awareness, energy, and frequency can you and your body be to be aware of when something is going to need a repair? Do you feel there's more of an opening there? Yeah, because what often happens is we get like these inklings of that something is starting to go wrong, right? Especially with a car. You start to feel, hear a little sound, it doesn't feel quite right. And often we just go, oh, I hope it's going to go away. Whoa, yikes. So everywhere that you received early information about repair being needed, but you ignored it. Ooh, and there it can feel like a judgment there, but just let all that go because we've all done that. But anytime that you started to have a advanced awareness that a repair was going to be needed and you ignored it or suppressed it, do you choose to remove and destroy all that? Woo, yes, I choose that. Retract, rescind, revoke, recant, renounce, make null and void, make null and void, make null and void. Woo, yeah, and the part around that is even if you have advanced awareness of that a repair is going to be needed, you don't have to do that repair right away. Now, often it's going to be a contribution, but that's one of the tricks around awareness. Sometimes we don't want to be aware of around something that we have to do or that we don't want to do. It's one of the tools and tricks around awareness I teach in my classes. And that tool is just because you're aware of something doesn't mean you have to follow your awareness. This is a funky one because it seems like you always should follow your awareness. And the thing is it's not 100% true. You want to be in a place where you have 100% choice whether you choose to follow your awareness or you choose something else. Now, following your awareness usually is the best deal, but sometimes you might not do that, and that's actually okay. We tend to like judge ourselves for not following our awareness. Whoa, do you feel energy on that you judge yourself for not following your awareness? But the part is if you come it down to just choice, that you can either choose to do this or choose something else. That allows your awareness to give you the information, and then you get to choose what you do with it. Okay, so let's do that another one again around that. What awareness, energy, and frequency can you and your body be to be aware when something is going to need a repair in the future? And then receive to you and your body's authentic advantage. Oh. And so what we're doing there is just putting something in place to make it easier for you to be aware if there is some sort of warning when something is going to need a repair. This could be also something with an appliance or a vacuum cleaner. Something like, oh, it's starting to go, so I might need to purchase something new or be ready to do a repair. And so once again, we live in this physical world that has a part that is an energetic component and part that's physical. And certain things are more physical than energetic. Like a car is more physical than energetic. Same thing with probably appliances and other electronic devices. They're more physical than energetic. Whew. And so everywhere it still seems like things break at the most inopportune times, whew, do you choose to release, let go, and or allow all that to be removed from your reality now? Ah, yes, I choose that. Retract, rescind, revoke, recant, renounce, make null and void, make null and void, make null and void. Anything preventing you from being aware and taking steps or actions when something is going to break or will break in the future that will be to you and your body's authentic advantage, do you choose to remove and destroy everything in the way of you taking those contributive steps? Ah, yes, I choose that. Vaporize, liquify, vaporize, liquify. So awesome. If you have any questions about what I talked about here or how the combination of the energetic and physical interact to create your world, your experience, and how this world shows up for you, leave a comment below or send me a message. So I'm Max Riggs, Energetic Awareness Explorer and your guide, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye for now.